Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to block Discord user. In order to block a user on Discord, you generally need to access the profile from a server's member list, your friend list, or a direct message. First thing first, what you need is find the user's name in the channel. So let's see this is the particular channel and you want to block the person. You just want to tap open the profile, tap the three dot icon, and you just have to go ahead and tap on block profile. This seems to be my own user or the profile, so I'm just gonna tap on it, and there you have a block option and confirm it. So this way you'll be able to block Discord user, and you could also go ahead and locate the user. That means tap the profile picture in a server or a daemon or friend list to open their profile as well. And this is how you're supposed to block Discord user. If you cannot find the user, you just have to go and launch open the members or the page where he is a member. Then tap the search bar, type in the username, and this way as well, you will be able to find and block them as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.